Hey friends, if you encounter this error, this site can't be reached in Google Chrome, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. Now in the Windows search bar right here, now you have to close your Google Chrome window first, then move to the solutions. Type here Internet Options, Best Match, click on that. Now here in the internet properties, you have this general security privacy content, connections programs and the advanced tab. Click on the connections tab and you will find this LAN settings. Click on this. Automatically detect settings. Make sure this button is switched on. Use a proxy server for your LAN if this is switched on, or if you check this, then just simply uncheck this box and then click on apply and then OK. Then click on the Advanced tab, click on the Restore Advanced Settings, click on Apply and then OK. Now once done, click on the Start button, go to Settings. This is for the second method. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and you'll find Advanced Network Settings. Then under More Settings, you'll find Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So you have to click on Reset Now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? You have to click on Yes. And once you click on Yes, then your PC will be restarted. So once that is done, just simply close this. Then press the Windows key and R button together. The run window will appear. Type here ncpa.cpl and then click on OK. Now here in the network connections window, you need to look for the Wi-Fi or for the Ethernet that you are connected to. Right click and then select disable. Now wait for some time. Then make a right click again and then select enable. So once done, make a right click on it and then select properties. Now here in the Wi-Fi properties, you need to look for the IPv6. This one, Internet Protocol version 6 IPv6. Disable this or uncheck this and then click on OK. Then also right click on it again and then select properties. This time in the Wi-Fi properties, click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. Now, click on this button, obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. So once you have done this, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows and the problem is still existing or in some cases the problem is still there, then go back to the same network connections window by pressing the Windows key and R button together and type ncpa.cpl. Then click on the Wi-Fi, right click and then select properties. Now here click on the Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. This time, you have to click on this use the following DNS server addresses. We are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK and then simply close this and then close this window too. Then for the final method is we are going to run some commands. So in the Windows search bar, type here cmd, best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here you have to follow me for the commands. Type here natsh space winsock space reset catalog and hit on enter. Next command, natsh space int space ipv4 space reset dot log. and hit enter. And for the final command, we are going to flush the DNS. So type here IP config space / flush DNS and hit on enter and type exit, hit enter, and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So if any of the methods helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.